It's really about embracing all your parts, embracing that inner villain and embracing that inner good girl, embracing that, those, both of those sides and everything in between, embracing the mess and embracing the put together, embracing the dressed up and embracing the dressed down. I'm so tired of being the good girl. What is that? You know, you're only good if you're falling in line. You're only good if you're fitting in. You're only good if you're submissive. You're only good if you keep your mouth shut. You're only good if you don't tell the truth. You're only good if you don't make people reflect on who they are and what they're doing and how they're doing it. So you're only good if you stay inside the box. But if you tell the truth, well, you're bad, you're naughty. If you see things clearly and point that out, who does she think she is? If you don't submit and you walk in your power boldly, she thinks she's all that. If you fight back, you're the villain. Because you're no longer taking it. So maybe the villain isn't exactly bad. Maybe the villain just doesn't give a fuck.